Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kuble yefi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Hakasin ka baar jong ka jinya ki ka Voice of the People's Party uba Ardent milar Basaiawmoit ulami hi banyalam ya ki MLA bansyong kalai mungor hak mat ka kerdop sekretariat ban persya ya ka loka yukta. Habamar batmu ban lei sya sekretariat lami ki bor district bat ki pulet ban khang ya ka jinya lam uba Vivek CM USP ka city ban khang lenti ya uba Ardent milar Basaiawmoit ban tur sya sekretariat. Kajing lam hi uba Ardent milar Basaiawmoit banyak hi kadai kajing bitar ya kajing syak ketak keti ya uba Brightstar marbanyang MLA ka maulai. Uba Ardent milar Basaiawmoit uba ya lam hi bat ulayu i ya uba Vivek MUSP ulah temu khang lenti bat uba Ardent milar Basaiawmoit ulah karwit ya USP Vivek wat penlong kena yang i Markumta Phet Yamrem USP.
No, so you apply your mind. Your political master will go one day. You will be continued in your service.
We are following orders,
but don't follow the unlawful order. This is unlawful. The Supreme Court has stated clearly that you cannot invoke Section 144 CRPC just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
Sir, banyak kali kita jingweng yang official Lokayukta sir, kadang tak kawai kalat sir. As a respected.
You tell me what is kaya kita kalat?
Kalat sir siap. Nak beli kenduk in a peaceful way.
Oh, this is violent. Is this violent?
Ngapa musim violent sir? Balum beri, bibun beri, bilik long. Kalau nada saya kadang hati.
Hey, kita kalau order tu penyidikan. Hey, kita kalau order.
Hakasmi sah, hakasmi Friday. Bawan Honorable Home Minister. Kuma ketua sini sah. Kami kios bagi tekmak.
You mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine.
Partai social media kamdan cuk beri.
Terbeli pintu leran. Beli ini ka darab jat ya kata kecenglong Meghalaya.
Hari hari cuk upor, because internet kan tu jinjam harga Friday ru bahasan wrong message negative message yang ini belong plenary committee juga.
Kadon kabha bakalong kita. Bagi
toleran dengan represent wrong message.
Come there is wrong message, kadang right message. They should know the truth. The central leadership should know the truth. Mendai ban sudah Arab repair ki surat tang perwan ke central leadership ka tarong ka igidukan.
So all those issues
we cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy.
Itu issues lah.
You are a representative. You can raise that issue through a personal meeting, through a courtesy meeting with the. Who are you to explain me how to raise? You think I don't know? Know your limits. Okay. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Ngingim ko ajing kelumar, kako ajing kelumar ke sorkar. Bon kako ajing kelumar ke district administration. Dan kami kata, kani kampun wet. Kau bimut banong bahkan kam suk kan kam jai la dengan song nang ni. Minum ki nang ni. Dia boleh ngim lah bani ai. Bani kenduk yo officer pula phone ngang ongan dia kenduk. Dangal ai kenduk ong tu ngin saya keren dan ngin saya rai menu ban song hang ni hang nu ngin song menu bani kenduk. Ngim lah ban rai. Ngim lah ban rai. But we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand peaceful demonstration? Not with this. Okay, not with guns. Not with covering your faces. We don't have that kind of intention. Dari pi so artian pi so tikna yung itap tiar line up ingi check ingi way pay way. Dia nak kata tahu konbi kata ngalak ada keren. Bala ki government kita ki government. Oh ini kita kena red deal in this way. And what will happen if we decide something which is more serious?
That won't happen. So
Will you be able to handle the situation, or will you ask? Just give order to fire and lathi charge. That is what you are waiting for. The way you are preparing. Never.
We will not allow. Our future is at stake.
We want to show to the world that as a party, the leaders will take the front lead.